Hi guys, welcome back in a short while. Okay, as I've promised, now we are going to take our structure, and then on our structure now, what we want to do, remember on the previous video, we had a structure where we actually assigned value on our program. We assign values on our program to the fields of the structure bar key. So now in our program, we want to give a user an opportunity to input the values for our fields for the fields of our object of a car. All right, structure car, and then object by key. All right, so now this is a simple syntax, and then always display a nice message to the person. Please enter, let's first say, let's enter, please enter the name of your structure. We know it's a car. The name of your structure object, structure object. All right, I'm sure you're able to understand when I say structure object. Enter the name of your structure object, and then below. Now what is very important is here, guys, on an input, the very same way the syntax that we use when we were actually assigning values to those components of to the structure component, this the fields of our structure. Remember, here we're having a bar key as the object of the structure car. So now here we're going to use the very same syntax, a bar key dot, and then now here you call what? You call those fields each correspond to each display message. The display message will be, please enter the name of your structure object. Then we know the name, it has to be which a field has to be the name, so you just say name, then does it. Then the next line, maybe let's also prompt the user to even enter the price of it. Okay, let's just say the price. Then you say the price, and then nicely the price, and then like that. All right, and then now, and then below, I suppose you guys know what we need here. The price has to be for what? For the bar key, and then bar key dot price, then again we need what? We need the color. I'm gonna say see out to the user, please, what color is it? All right. Oh, sorry. Okay, caught up with my work now. Alright, let's continue. Sorry guys, get caught up with my work, and I'll need to edit but now. So now what color is it now? Then we say see in, and then now we know what we need. We say bar key dot, the field is color, then simple as that. Alright, so now let me save, and then after saving that, then now we're going to build the program, and then let's see if we have any error. Zero error, zero warning. Then now I can run the project. Alright, okay, see, please enter the name of your structure, and then we say the name is what? Okay, let's choose the name. The name of our structure, let's choose the name Toyota. I'll just say Toyota. And then now the price. What's the price of that Toyota? Oh my god, I think I pressed 2 times. You may have some errors again. Price of it has to be, let me just say 35,000. Then the color of it, okay, color of that Toyota. Then this time around I'll go for black. Let's give it black. Let's say it's black. Wow. All right, you see the structure name is Toyota, and then the price of the structure is 35,000. and the color is black. You see, so here guys, remember we are emphasizing where the user, we're giving a user an opportunity for input. What is very important actually for you guys to see is this, the syntax calling using the object of that structure. Remember, the structure is being defined as a car. Then inside the main, you will always have to now declare. Actually, you create, yes, which is declare. You create an object of that structure. This is, which is here we chose it to be a Baki. And then now we say Baki name, and then Baki price. For you to be able to assign value, assign or initialize values to these fields, we are going to use the object, because they has to be associated to a certain object. All right, unlike free variables were in a normal program, but then these ones now, because they are of a structure, we need the object of the structure to assign these. All right, so this is how short the program was, and then as I promised you guys, so next now now I'm going to I'm increasing now, because I think I still have time. Let me see how many minutes spent now. All right, I still have minutes. Okay, now I want to interchange information between two structures. This is very important. I'm going to create another object here. I'm going to take data information of a certain structure and place it inside another structure. So now I'm going to say I'm creating another object of a car. I'm going to say car. Let me just say car. I will say let's just say taxi. Let's just say taxi. Yes, it's also a car. Then I save, and then now this taxi is also an object of a car. Then after the user has inputted data here for remember this input here we have what, Baki, right? And then now here below, because this is the taxi is a car and then Baki is also a car, then I can say taxi, object taxi is assigned to, now I'm assigning it to what, object Baki. Simple as that. You see, after doing this, and then now I say save, and then after doing this guys, I simply means all information that is inside Baki, they are inside what, taxi. But mind you, you can only take information from a certain structure and give them to from a certain structure object and give them to the very same structure object. All right, let me say it again. You can only take an information from a certain structure object and store, and then now give them to the very same structure, another object of the very same structure. You see, so this is a car, this is a car, so I can interchange information between the two. But mind you, if I have another structure maybe on top, assume I have another maybe struct house, and then I cannot take a house data and then try to give them to a car. That will just logically not work out. So you can only interchange information between two same structures but different object, right? Like here now, when I have a car, and then I have car, and then I have a Baki for the car, and then I have a taxi for the car. So someone might come here and then have what for the car? Maybe minibus is also a car. So since they all fall inside a category of a car, inside structure car, then I can interchange information between the two. But if the structures are different, you cannot take a structure of a different structure and then give the data to a different structure. No, it won't work. Naturally, we know, right? I cannot take the measurement for a house and then try to give them to an engineer to build a car with the measurement for a house. It doesn't make sense. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to tell you. So now let's see, after now taking the data of a Baki to a taxi, let's now display here, right? And then you're going to say see out the structure name is, and then now here let's now use taxi and see if actually the data are now inside, the data inside Baki are also data inside taxi. So here I'm going to say taxi, same applies to this. I'm going to say taxi, sorry, I'm going to say taxi, I'm going to say taxi. All right, then I save, and then now I build, then see 0 error and then 2 seconds. Then now let's build it. You see, then now let's enter the information. Remember it was what, please enter the name of your structure. We said previously we said the name of the structure is what? Is Toyota. I'll still say Toyota. Guys. And then now what's the price of the Toyota? Then now I think let's just give it okay, let's just say 70,000. Then what color is it? Let's just say white. A famous or standard or C. Now you see the program has worked. The structure is Toyota. The price of the structure is 70,000. The color is white. You see, guys, remember all this when you enter them, they were inside Baki, right? After, because Baki is a car object, and then now also a taxi. So I took those information from Baki, and then now I gave them to a taxi, and then I display them, right? I display them whereas they're inside a taxi object of a car. So now it then means I've done everything correct. But let me show you now. Let me just show you guys. What can I say? Okay, all right, let me not even try to change so that I can show you where you can make error. Let me just show you the good part, all right, where you're having a running code, and then so that every time when you have a code that is not running, then you can be able to compare with the running code that you have here on the video with yours, and then try to fix the error. All right, guys, so yeah, this was it for the structure. I hope you guys will find the video educational, and please don't forget to like my videos on YouTube, and then yeah, under the name Junior Matlo, and then please do subscribe to my videos. It means a lot to me. It gives me more energy, more like momentum going to recording more videos for you guys. Then yeah, all right, thank you guys, highly appreciate it. See you next.